Today we're making sofrito, and in my version I used garlic, cilantro, onion, jalapeno, and manzano peppers that are blended up into these little flavor bombs. So we are starting off with some garlic. We're going to shake it up and get the skins off of those. You can just put them in a jar and then they will easily slide off like that. We're going to chop the ends and all that off of our onions, give them a rough chop, and then throw them into the blender. We're going to add those to the blender and then throw in the garlic that we had chopped. That's just 3 cloves of garlic and 3 bunches of cilantro. Moving on to the jalapenos, we are going to put on our gloves and de-seed those bad boys. So I have made the mistake before of trying to do this task without gloves, and it is not advised. It is not pretty. So all of that just goes into the blender, so how you chop it is not really like a big deal. You will want to remove the seeds. These manzano peppers are hot, so if you don't want hot peppers or if you don't want this to be too spicy, you can substitute bell peppers for that. Run that through the blender and then pour it into your little cupcake pan. These have the silicone liners, which work perfect for whenever you freeze things. Pop them in the freezer. Next day they come out in these little flavor pucks. These can be used in soups and stews. You can throw them in rice whenever you're cooking rice. And this week we're going to use these in our butternut squash soup.